Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the.
So let's clean my Air Force One. So I have two types. I have this one, which is a custom pair of white Air Forces. Now, if you can tell, they're not very white anymore, and plus they have all these silver studs on them. These are what the bottoms will look like. So yeah, these are going to be harder to clean. Then I also have this pair of my Air Force Shadows, and these are really dirty. I wore them to London before lockdown. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean both sets of these. Starting off with, you take your bowl of water. So I have a bowl of lukewarm water, and I have some washing up liquid. You can literally use any washing up liquid you like. I'm using this as the one. I also have a toothbrush. This is just a cleaning toothbrush that I use when I'm cleaning. And then I have a scourer pad. Now, first off, I'm going to start with these, so my Air Force Shadows. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe all of the bottoms down and all of the mud down with the scourer pad. So I'm going to dip the scourer pad in the water, rinse it out, and then I'm going to put my hand in my shoe like this, and I am going to move the water. Yes, I put my hand in my shoe, and now I'm just going to clean the outside with the scourer pad.
I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one, 'cause you are the only one, the only one, 'cause you are the only one.
After that, I'm going to take a towel. So I just have this purple towel, and I'm just going to wipe it, because you really don't need to rinse this all off. And as you can tell, like, it's already started to come a bit cleaner. So yeah, I still have a few mud bits on it, so yeah, I will do this a second time to get rid of all of the other mud bits. So now I've taken my laces out of my shoes. They look like this. So this means I can now get a better clean on them. So now you're going to take your toothbrush and your washing up liquid, and you are going to put a little bit of the washing up liquid on your toothbrush. And then you are going to dip this in the water, just a little tiny bit into the water. And now you're going to start scrubbing your shoes. So this is good for getting in all of the nooks and crannies, as well as like getting all of that dirt that's in the seams off. Now these are what they look like now that I've scrubbed them down, and in comparison, these are what these look like before I have got the toothbrush on them, but this is what this one looks like now I have the toothbrush on it. So as you can see at the top here, we still have loads of dirt and grime on this, especially on like the tongue, and yeah, just on these top bits here where it's rained and mud has got on. So for this, you're going to need a stronger solution. This is the washing liquid I'm using. So this is Surf, and I'm going to put a small cap of this into my water. I've rinsed out my water and got a new bowl of water. I'm going to put about a cap full like you would put in washing machines. Now I'm going to put my shoelaces in here to, so this time I'm scrubbing all of the fabric bits. Now once you've done that, you will get something that either looks like this or very similar. So as you can see, this bottom bit here is like pretty much pristine white. Then this bit here is grey, but that's just the colour of the shoes. Of course the pink, this, and then this bit's white. I went round all of the seams with that washing stuff, and it worked for the most part. Like, it came out most of these stuff. The tongue is very wet because I have put a lot of water on it, but you want to try and avoid putting as much water on the leather as possible. So I'm just going to finish with the tongue. So I have some actual concentrated washing powder, wash liquid, and I'm going to put this on here, and I'm just going to put it on here straight because this should get rid of all of the dirt. And yeah, I'm just going to scrub this.
Be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me.
So I've just taken the laces out, and as you can see, they're white for the most part. Like, some of them still have little bits of staining on them. I don't know if you can see here, but the only way to get these staining bits off would be with a stain remover or putting them in the actual washing machine. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in the actual washing machine, and trust me, they will go white. I have a bowl of clean water and a clean towel, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dip the corner of the towel into the clean water. I'm going to squeeze it out, and I'm going to like flannel these shoes. So like, I'm just going to wipe and scrub them down with this flannel bit, and this should get rid of any of the residue on it without making it too wet. That's what I'm going to do. Feel you have all of the excess cleaning products on, you are going off. You are going to get a towel, and you are just going to towel dry the shoes.
Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through.
So now that this is dry, this is what the finished result looks like. So I don't know if you can tell, but the bottoms are so much whiter and crisper. The same with on the sides here, they're just so much crisper. Now these still probably still look dirty to you because of the grey. The grey doesn't help bring out the white very much, but I honestly, if you was to see these, I would take some pictures and I will insert them on the screen of them in better lighting, and you'll be able to see how white they actually are. Now these, you have to go careful with these type because this is like a plastic coating, not like the normal Air Forces, which are like these, which are like a bit more of a leather coating. These are plastic, so you have to go careful that, you know, you get everything off. So I'm probably gonna have to do another coat of getting everything off, but again, you can't get these too wet because these are a plastic pleather. If you want to get it even cleaner, I recommend that you get some whitener or actual proper shoe cleaner. You can get it from Amazon for about £5, but I never clean my shoes enough to warrant getting one, and I'm a bit of a cheapskate, so I think cleaning this way is so much better. But yeah, this is what the shoe looks like now, and I will obviously insert some pictures of what the shoe looks like and it compared to the dirty shoe. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. This is part 1. If you want to see part 2, which is where I do these ones, then subscribe and like, and I will film that and get that up for you all. But yeah, this is what these look like. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.